Hey, Joel here from Field. Today, we'll tour the sales and marketing tools that help you grow your business faster and smarter. Let's start with the Field Marketing Suite. This is where your customer outreach takes place, and it's fully integrated into your CRM. You can launch email, SMS, or postcard campaigns directly from here, using customizable templates and targeting options. All interactions and analytics from your marketing campaigns will be collected here, so you can get an in-depth look at how effective your marketing is without the difficult setup of third-party tools. Want to follow up with leads who didn't finish booking, or send a promo to customers who haven't booked in a while? FielddEngage does it for you. It's built to keep you top of mind without the manual work. Take a look and see what's possible. Next, head to the lead board. This is your visual sales pipeline. Every lead action is logged here, including those who filled out your lead forms and even those who visited your online booking page but didn't complete the process. Here you'll also see that Field captures booking attempts in real time. You'll see exactly how far a customer made it through the booking flow. If they dropped off before confirming, you'll still have access to their contact details with magic data, so you can follow up and close the job. With Field sales and marketing tools, you don't have to wait for business to come to you. You can actively create it. Check out some of our other videos for a deeper dive on how to take advantage of features like postcard marketing and FielddEngage. Get started today and master your business with Field.